Hi everybody, and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to make a clutch paper purse out of a 12 by 12 sheet of paper. Now this is a little bit more expensive designer paper. It's a lot thicker and a little bit harder to work with, so you have to be careful, make sure that you get your edges completely straightened with this paper, because it's hard to go back and redo it if you don't. It can be done, but you just got to be really careful. So you're just going to fold it into 4 squares, and again, like I said, make sure that you have it lined up the best you can, because when you start to fold it, you'll see in a minute what I'm talking about. Also, thanks for watching, and if you don't mind, if you want to see more videos, you can hit subscribe button, and I really appreciate you watching my videos. So what we're going to do is take up the 4 corners and just fold them into the very middle, where the point is, all 4 corners. Now, as you see there where the written tag is from the price of the paper there, I make sure that I use that on the bottom side so you can't see it when the envelope or the purse is opened up. Alright, so now after all 4 folds have been made, we're going to take it and fold it in half. But there again, there's where I was talking about on the tag. Make sure that it's folded correctly so you're not seeing that. So we're just going to fold that in half, and again, this is really thick designer paper. It's kind of like a metallic feel. It's glittery, and so again, you got to really make sure that you press it down good. I didn't have my other tool to use, so I just used my scissors. But just make sure you press it down very well, all corners. I also put this through my my die embossing machine, so then it stays put together much better. This is kind of a fabric type paper, and it rips really easy, so you got to be careful. But these are some of the ones that I made, and I made quite a few because they're so much fun to make. They're kind of addicting. Again, this is like a metallic paper, so you just have to be very careful that you don't rip it. And so there were some really pretty designs. I actually got the paper at Michael's back in the clearance section. These papers go for $2 each, but I ended up buying a whole pack that they had on clearance for, I think, $5, so you can find them. And I got some really cute designs, as you can see. So there you have it on that. There will be a part 2, and I will be showing you the rest of the steps that I took to emboss them and decorate them. Here's some that I already had done, so just be looking out for the part 2 video on these purse clutches. They're a lot of fun to make, and thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.